How to turn on or turn off adaptive battery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So you will see battery is here, so click on battery. Now here, so click on background usage limits. So after click on background use limit, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on adaptive battery. So after click on adaptive battery, you will see, so if you want to turn off adaptive battery, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see adaptive battery is turn off. So if you want to turn on adaptive battery, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see adaptive battery is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off adaptive battery from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off adaptive battery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.